A set of equations is said to be consistent if it has unique solution, but it is said to be inconsistent when there is no unique solution. In this lesson, we'll see how to use determinant to check for consistency in a set of equations. That said, let's get into class. Now, our question wants us to find the value of k for which the following sets of equations are consistent. Now, for this set of equations to be consistent, that means the determinant of the matrix of this equation must equals to 0. The first thing we're going to do is to highlight the matrix of this equation. Now, so pick the matrix with 3, we have 3, 1, and 2. We have 4, 2, minus k. We have 2, minus 1, and 3k. Now, so that in here, multiplying it, we have matrix x, y, and 1. Why 1? Because we have a set of equation here, a set of constants, and this is equals to 0. Now, to check for consistency, we'll be dealing with this particular matrix here. We'll be checking the determinant of that matrix. So that for these equations to be consistent, determinant here 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, minus k, 2, minus 1, and 3k must be equals to 0. To find this determinant, I want us to use minus and the cofactor. First thing is to attach a sign to it. This is positive, here is negative. I want this to be positive. Now, to pick the first set of my minus, I will cross this line here at 3 and pick the row and the column that crosses 3. So, I'll be picking the set of values that are out of that row and column. That means 3 into 2 minus 1 minus k is 3k. Then I have minus 1, that's the next. Now, if I pick this column again and pick this row, I'll pick the set of elements that are, so that I'll be picking my 4 minus k, 2, and 3k. And the last element will be my plus 2. So we'll pick all the elements that are not actually red now under the colored red. So that will be 4, 2, 2, and minus 1. Now we can evaluate the determinant. So that will be 3 into 2 times 3, that's 6k, minus times minus here becomes plus, that's minus k, or this 6k itself, 6k minus k, minus 1 into 4 times 3k, that's 12k, 2 times minus k, that's minus 2k. Now here I have plus 2 into 4 times minus 1, that's minus 4, minus 2 times 2, that's 4. I can close my bracket. So that my 3 now into 6k minus k, that's 5k, minus 1 into 12k, minus times minus here becomes plus, 14k plus 2 into minus 4 times minus 4 minus 4, that's minus 8, is equals to 0. For it to be consistent, the determinant must be equals to 0. Now, so that's 3 times 5, that's 15k, minus 14k, minus 16 is equals to 0. So that k minus 16 is equals to 0. Obviously, my k will be equals to 16. Will this help you understand how to check for consistency in a set of equations? Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.